Hello, engineers of Bangladesh. Stop scrolling for a second. What if I told you in just 2 years you could study, work and settle in New Zealand while building a powerful future for you and your family? Sounds like a dream. It's 100% possible, and this video will show you how. Right now, engineering professionals are in high demand in New Zealand. No matter your background, there's a pathway for you. Civil engineer, construction project manager, electrical engineer, electronics engineer, environmental engineer, food technologist, geotechnical engineer, ICT project manager, industrial engineer, mechanical engineer, production or plant engineer, quantity surveyor, software engineer, structural engineer, telecommunications network engineer. These roles are critically needed, which means better job opportunities and PR pathways. And yes, your degree will be globally recognised. Now let's be real, costs matter. For undergraduate, NZD 30,000 to 42,000 per year. For postgraduate, NZD 32,000 to 48,000 per year. That's around BDT 21 to 34 lakh per year. But here's the good news, scholarships can significantly reduce your cost. Minimum requirements for undergraduate, 70 to 75% in HSC. For postgraduate, 60 to 65% in bachelor's. English requirements, IELTS 6 to 6.5 depending on courses and level of study. TOEFL or PTE also accepted widely. Scholarships available for international students based on academic performance and your chosen programme. But remember, seats are limited. The earlier you apply, the higher your chances. Now here's where it gets even better. You don't need to figure this out alone. International Admission Service will guide you step by step. University selection, scholarship application and complete visa processing. No service charge at all. And you'll get direct guidance from HM Mashia Rahman, a trusted expert with 10 plus years of experience in New Zealand admissions. If you're serious about changing your life, this is your moment. Book your free one-to-one consultation today. Your global future starts now. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We're ready to help you every step of the way.